many users in the Philippines need to update or correct their SIM registration details in 2026 because of spelling mistakes, incorrect birthdays, wrong addresses, outdated IDs, or incomplete information submitted during the original registration process. To begin updating SIM registration details, users should open the official website or mobile app of their telecom provider, such as Smart Communications, Globe Telecom, Dito Telecommunity, or GOMO. After logging into the account or registration portal connected to the mobile number, users should look for options like Update Information, Edit Registration, Manage SIM Registration, or Account Verification. Some telecom providers allow basic corrections online, while more sensitive changes may require customer support assistance or visits to authorized stores. Before submitting any update request, users should prepare a valid government ID, such as a national ID, passport, driver's license, UMID, PRC ID, or another accepted identification document. When uploading the ID photo, image quality is very important. The photo should be clear, properly lit, readable, and free from reflections or camera filters. All corners of the ID should remain visible to avoid verification failure during the review process. After uploading the updated ID, users can enter corrected information exactly as shown on the identification document. This may include fixing spelling errors, correcting birthdays, updating addresses, or changing outdated ID details linked to the SIM registration account. Some providers may also require selfie verification or face scanning during the update process to confirm identity ownership. Once verification steps are completed, users can submit the request and wait for approval. Depending on the provider and verification workload, updates may process immediately or take several hours or days. OTP verification is also important during the correction process.